Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about small apartment kitchen inspiration. If you live in an apartment, you already know the struggle: limited space, limited storage, and sometimes limited natural light. But the good news is, with a few clever and organization tricks, even the smallest kitchen can look stylish, functional, and inviting. Let's explore ideas to maximize every inch of your kitchen space. Small kitchens often suffer from clutter because there just isn't enough room. Adding vertical storage is one of the smartest solutions. Install shelves above your counters or even above door frames to store items you don't use daily. Next, think about cabinet organization. Inside your cabinets, use organizers, racks, and pull-out trays. This not only saves space but also makes everything easier to access. Lazy Susans, stackable shelves, and drawer dividers are game changers. Another trick is using hooks. Hooks can be placed under cabinets, on walls, or even inside cabinet doors. They're perfect for hanging mugs, utensils, or small pots. This frees up counter space instantly. Now let's move to countertops. In a small apartment kitchen, counters are prime real estate. Keep only the essentials out, like a cutting board, toaster, or coffee machine. Everything else should have a dedicated place inside cabinets or shelves. Lighting is also important. Many small kitchens feel cramped because they are dark. Add under cabinet lighting or even stick on LED strips to brighten the space. Good lighting makes the kitchen feel larger and more open. Next, let's talk about color. Light colors like white, cream, or light gray make a small kitchen feel airy. If you love color, add it in small accents like colorful jars, towels, or plants. Avoid too many dark shades as they can make the space feel smaller. Speaking of plants, greenery can make even a tiny kitchen feel alive. Hang a small plant near a window or keep a few herbs in pots on the counter. This not only adds freshness but also gives you ingredients at hand while cooking. Now let's cover multi-purpose furniture. If your kitchen connects to a dining area, consider a foldable table or a bar-style counter. These save space and can double as prep areas. Stools that slide under the table are also perfect for compact spaces. Another great idea is using clear containers. When you store food items in transparent jars, the kitchen feels more organized. Labels make it even better, stylish and practical at the same time. Mirrors are another small space hack. Placing a mirror on one wall or backsplash reflects light and makes the kitchen appear bigger. Even mirrored cabinet doors can add a modern and spacious effect. This trick works wonders in apartments with limited windows. Open shelving is also a growing trend. Instead of bulky cabinets, consider open shelves for everyday items. They make the kitchen feel more open, though you need to keep them neat. Mix decorative items with functional ones to strike a balance. Let's not forget about the floor. A stylish rug can add warmth to a small kitchen. Choose washable rugs with patterns that hide stains easily. This small addition can completely change the vibe of your kitchen. Another idea is creating a coffee or tea corner. Even in a small kitchen, dedicating one shelf or counter space for drinks adds personality. It also keeps those items organized in one spot instead of scattered everywhere. Little zones like this make small kitchens feel intentional and functional. Wall space is your friend in small kitchens. Magnetic strips for knives, spice racks, and even pegboards help you keep tools handy. This not only saves drawer space but also adds a touch of professional style. It's both decorative and practical. Appliance choice also matters. In small kitchens, opt for compact or multi-purpose appliances. For example, a toaster oven instead of a full oven, or a blender that doubles as a food processor. Choosing wisely saves space and reduces clutter. Another overlooked idea is sliding doors. If you have a swinging kitchen door that takes up space, replace it with a sliding or folding door. It makes the space more open and easier to move around in. Small adjustments like this can have a big impact. Let's also talk about backsplash design. A stylish backsplash can make even the smallest kitchen look high-end. Choose bright tiles, glass panels, or even peel and stick options if you're renting. It's an easy upgrade that adds character without taking up space. Organization is everything in a small apartment kitchen. A rule to follow is one in, one out. This keeps your kitchen from becoming overcrowded. Another helpful trick is using rolling carts. A slim rolling cart can fit between your fridge and counter or in unused corners. It can hold spices, oils, or snacks and can be rolled out when you need it. It's like adding extra storage without remodeling. If you love cooking, you know counter space is precious. Use cutting boards that fit over your sink to create extra prep space. This simple hack makes cooking in a small kitchen so much easier. Multi-purpose tools like these are worth every penny. Finally, remember that inspiration is about making your kitchen yours. It doesn't matter if it's small, what matters is how it feels and how well it works for you. Add little personal touches like framed art, a chalkboard wall, or family photos. These details make your small kitchen not just functional, but also welcoming. So whether it's vertical storage, bright colors, compact furniture, or clever organization, small apartment kitchens can be stylish and practical. Don't let size limit your creativity. With a few smart choices, your kitchen can become the heart of your home, no matter how small. Thank you for watching. If you found these small apartment kitchen ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home inspiration. Share your favorite idea in the comments. I'd love to hear what you'll be trying in your own kitchen.